Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Sa inyo lahat.
Today is Sunday. Ay, Saturday di ay. Nahihiya ako kasi. Kaya na ulit ako mag-vlog. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga kasama ko. O, ayun. Andito ulit kami sa Lucen. Ay, papunta pa pala kaming Lucen. Pinauna ko sila dahil nahihiya ako mag-vlog. Ngayon lang kasi ako mag-vlog ulit. Ang tagal ko na kaya hindi nakapag-vlog. Kasi nga wala akong camera. Bumili ako ng bagong phone para pang-vlog. Nahihiya din ako kaya hindi ako nag-vlog. Etong camera ang gamit ko ngayon kay RC to. Binigyan niya sa akin yung kanyang camera dahil yung gamit niya, kung napanood niyo yung vlog namin sa Cebu, gamit niya yung camera ko. Luma na kasi yung camera ko tapos meron siyang natanggal. Eh ayaw ni RC ibigay yun sa akin ulit dahil nahiya siya. Hello sang.
Hi!
Sano, that's my Frauen. Hiya ako eh.
Ja, Walnuss. Ich habe auch noch eine mit dabei.
At ako'y hinahangak na.
Wie das funktioniert. Bitte.
Ja, genau.
Lieber nicht, ich habe 2 Augen.
Kapoy ka, uy. Nakuratan akong lawas da. Siya, sa galo. Sa galo. Andito na kami sa first cross, o anong tawag dyan, basta doon kami galing sa baba. Nindot namang dalan. Pistig, ipikugan ko. Doon kami pupunta sa pinakatuktok. Hey, kapuya. Tingnan nyo naman kung saan kami galing. Doon pa sa kabilang bundok. Ay, doon sa likod ba? Hi, sa! Hindi lang siya maja-justify ang camera. Sobrang ganda. Hello! Itim na ang kaulapan. Sana hindi umulan mamaya. Mag-shooting star hunting pa kami. Anong tawag doon? Basta. Uy, dagong kalupoy. Kapoy, bigsa ka dari. Pangalawang beses na namin ni Nico dito. Diretso kami ngayon sa may restaurant dyan. Diyan din kami matutulog. Then, kakain kami ng late lunch. Ano na? Ay, snacks na lang pala. Magto 2:30 na. Hey, ilang oras din kaming nag-hiking. 3 hours ata. Hey, kuya, uwi. Sakit na kaya akong likod to. Hey, Higutom na daw siya. So, after namin makarating sa tuktok, bababa na naman kami. Lamig kayo.
Wala lang 1 minute, guys.
Okay, palagi ka.
Okay pa.
Okay na lang. Aray ko.
Pero nag-high lang sa cross.
Dito na kami. Ayan. Dito din kami mag-overnight. May daan naman na maganda ito. Papunta sa baba. Tapos may parking area sa baba. Naglisod-lisod ro gyud mi sa mong kinabuhi. Andito na kami sa Hütte at ito yung order ko, spritz. Tapos kay Nico Radler at saka coffee. Nag-order din kami ng dessert at saka sausage salad.
Ich sag nur Thunfisch Sandwich.
Ito yung aking order. Sausage salad with bread. Kasi nagugutom na talaga ako. Wala kaming lunch. Tapos ito yung dessert. Ito yung paborito namin. Masarap to. Kaiserschmarrn yung tawag. Ngaon. Nandito na kami sa room. Nandun si Nico. Nag-aantay kami sa iba. Naligo sila. Hindi ko maliligo dahil basang-basa ako sa pawis. Sila basa din naman sila sa pawis pero maliligo sila. Ako yung maligo. Kandingon alert. Kasama namin dito sa kwarto si Thomas at saka si Elena. Si Fabian at saka si Teresa nandun sa kabila. Feeling ko lang available na room na good for 6. Dati din nung first time namin dito din kami na room.
Warum nicht?
Eigentlich, gell? Check ka na.
Mga 8 PM na pero sobrang liwanag pa rin. Pupunta kami sa itaas para mag-sunset watching. Until what time ganita?
Solange wir Lust haben, wie letztes Jahr auch. Haben wir auch immer gesagt, das ist lang, oder?
So.
Diesmal halten wir vielleicht länger durch, weil wir Isomatte haben.
Dahil mag-shooting star watching kami. Ay, ano bang tawag doon? Eh, basta. Ang ganda ng sunset, oh. Ayun niya. Tingnan niyo ang sun. Napakaganda. Di lang siya ma-justify sa camera, eh, pero sobrang ganda niya. Super. Kung gusto niyo mag-trek, ilagay niyo to sa bucket list niyo. Lucen. Ang ganda dito. Magsa-sunrise naman kami ngayon. Last time kasi mag-sunrise sila Fabian pero hindi kami nagising kaya hindi ako nakapag-sunrise viewing last time. So ngayon na maaga akong nagigising dahil sanay pa ako sa oras sa Pinas. Kaya ngayon gagawin ko din siya. Maganda na doon, no? Tara. 5:14 pa sa umaga. Oh, ganda.
Wake up, really gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food meals. Step 3, grow hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts and poison they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Na kami mag-hiking. Pupunta kami ngayon sa restaurant kung saan kami nakapunta with Martin at saka ni Mama Lydia dahil masarap yung pagkain doon at saka malapit lang dito, 37 minutes drive lang. Then after, I think mag-swimming ata. We'll see kung mag-swimming ba talaga.
Gemacht, hat sich hingelassen. Was hingelassen? Also fast hingelassen, fast.
Hello! Kumakain pala kami ngayon ng venison. Ito ay isang huli ni Nico from his hunting. He catch this himself.
Just 20 kilometers from here I shot it. At dawn.
Because Nico is
at dusk, I mean.
finished with his hunting course. So he's now a certified hunter. So soft.
Schmeckt auch gar nicht nach Wild, gell?
Ist echt gut, mein Schatz.
Ja, ist lecker.
Gusto ko lang pala i-disclose yung haka-haka ng karamihan na naghiwalay kami. Siya yung pa-explain ko para maniwala kayo kasi feeling ko hindi kayo naniwala eh. Marami ang nag-speculate na naghiwalay talaga kami kaya natagalan ako sa Pilipinas, which is hindi. So you explain man that's why you're being apart for 8 months.
Because you want to see your family longer.
Did we broke up?
No.
First plan was Nico booked a ticket until April because he was supposed to fly to America now for work for 2 months, 1 month,
1.5 to 2.
1 to 2. That was the plan. That's why I will stay longer in the Philippines. But then the company changed the plan, but we didn't rebook my ticket. And then I didn't know that my brother will graduate on May. When I discovered that my brother will graduate on May, I asked Nico if I can stay longer because my brother wanted me to hang his medals because my brother is salutatorian. And the birthday of my grandmother, that was the reason. So we rebooked my flight to June. And then I realized that the school vacation will be 2 months, so that's June and July. I asked him again if I can stay longer so I can be with my brothers. That was the first time that I've been there for a school vacation. Good that he's so nice that he let me stay longer in the Philippines. That's why I stayed longer there. No? We didn't broke up with.
No. Fortunately not.
Eh, hindi ko na ipakita yung medium rare. Ito siya is rare. Tignan nyo naman. Oh.
Tropfst auf den Tisch.
So good.
So.
Namumula-mula pa siya. Dati sa steak, hindi ako kumakain ng pula-pula pa yung meat. Pero nung time na pinatikim ako ng papa ni Nico, doon ko na-realize na mas masarap ang medium rare kaysa sa well done, as in. And the reason kung bakit hindi ako nag-vlog sa Pinas is mas ini-enjoy ko muna yung time ko kasama yung pamilya ko. Yung bang wala akong iniisip na kailangan kong mag-vlog, kailangan kong mag-edit. Kung napanood nyo yung mga vlogs ko, nag-i-edit talaga ako 5 to 6 hours. So, sayang yung 5 to 6 hours ko na lalaan ko sa pag-i-edit. So, ayun, di ako nag-vlog. Share food man shots. Thank you. I really like to try to drink red wine. Last time, the vlog of RC, when I watched his vlog, he was cooking also steak with pasta. He drank red wine with it. I'm really wondering how it tastes, or I know how the red wine tastes, but
Tastes terrible.
but I'm still really wondering how people like red wine. Magpasensya nyo na short lang yung vlog namin, yung tour namin sa Lucen. Nag-drive kami ng 10 a.m. But then I forgot my camera, so we went back home to fetch my camera and then drive again to Lucen. That was for 1 hour, 1.5 hours.
1.5.
To Lucen from here. And then we went for 2 to 3 hours trek.
2.5 to 3. Yeah.
2 to 3 hours trekking to the peak of the mountain. And then, nag-snacks lang kami dahil 2 p.m. something na kaming dumating doon sa aming hotel. Then, we went back to the peak, no? To watch the sunrise, or we...
Sunset.
Sunset, or we eat first?
Yeah, we eat dinner first.
We eat dinner first, and then we went back to the peak to watch the sunset. It was cold, no?
And windy.
Windy than last time.
No.
Really?
I think it wasn't colder, but you were less well dressed. Du hast ja eigentlich den Sport Ding.
I forgot that I have 2 jackets. I brought 2 jackets. I forgot. We watched the shooting stars, or they watched the shooting stars because I slept there. The first time I slept in the peak of the mountain. There are a lot of people there, no? During the sunset.
In the sunset, yes, but when the stars fell,
I was really asleep.
There were only few people.
How many shooting stars did you saw?
Approximately 5.
Really?
Like
Last time,
2 of them I wasn't sure. It was just a flicker, and there was one huge one. It was very bright.
And last time I saw more than 10 shooting stars. But this time 0. I was really in a deep sleep.
We didn't stay long. We only stayed from 9 to 11.
Really?
So, yeah.
Was it 9 to 11?
Yeah, sunset was half past 8 or something. So 8:30 till 11. So if we would have stayed longer, probably more.
Yeah, but it was cold already, man. So windy. I only had my loose jacket or pullover, and then
towel.
a towel.
As a blanket.
We brought the towel as my blanket. because it's really cold and
everything you bring there, you have to carry up. So we take only our backpacks, and what fits is we bring.
yeah.
We didn't bring a lot of stuff because we are already heavy ourselves to get up. It's about 1,300 meters.
Imagine 3 hours trek. It was nice.
Uphill. It's not only straight. It's
uphill. Yeah, it was nice though. This time we are 6. Last time we are only 4. And then we watched the sunrise and then we went for breakfast. We had breakfast, but I forgot to bring my camera with me. After breakfast, we got ready.
We went to lunch.
No.
I went back to the parking lot, which also took us
right.
like 2 hours. It's it's called the winter way that they use in the winter. They use this path in the winter and also to supply the hut. There's a road.
Stimmt.
So we went down there and then took some back roads or back paths through the forest to the parking lot, which was not directly on the bottom of the mountain, but a little distant.
Carano. Then we drove to the restaurant. We went there because the food there is really good, right?
Especially the Apfelringe.
Apple rings.
A Bavarian, or probably Bavarian dessert or German dessert.
German dessert
Austrian maybe too.
with vanilla ice cream. Oh, that was really good. Then we drove there for 37 minutes. So that was our weekend. Imagine almost 24 hours flying from the Philippines and then going for a trek. Supposedly this week we have planned to go to Rottweil to meet Ellen, but my body is still weak and I also have muscle pain. Gipamaulan ko ba? Sabi pa maul. My whole legs and my hips are really hurting. And I still have headache. So, that's it. Sana ay nalinawan kayo sa aming explanation. Thank you so much sa mga nandyan pa rin na nag-aantay ng aking vlog. Maraming salamat. At sana makapag-vlog na ako. And I would like to thank the people na na-meet ko sa Pinas. Thank you so much, especially sa mga taga-Tubod. Thank you so much. Sa taga-Tubaran, nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan. Thank you so much. At sa mga taga-Usamis, maraming salamat sa mga nakakilala sa akin. Maraming salamat. Thank you din pala sa manager ng Mang Inasal sa Usamis. Maraming salamat. Nakalimutan ko lang din yung pangalan. Maraming salamat sa pag-approach. Thank you so much. Sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat. At nakalimutan ko na kung paano mag-end ng vlog. You end the vlog, please.
The end.
Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share if you did. Leave a comment below. Follow me on my social media. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo every time na mag-upload ako ng bagong video. And I will see you guys on my next one. Vielen Dank. Cheers. Gute Nacht. Amping.
Again.
Amping.
Amping.